What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here. And when I was at CES, I did spend some time with the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 10, and I gotta say, it is a very sleek looking device. You got this glass unibody construction. The color you're looking at here is called Black Diamond. As you take a look at the back, you do got Huawei branding there, and then you also got this Porsche design going from the top camera all the way to the center of the back device. It's kind of hard to see. Now in the front here, you are getting a 8 megapixel front facing camera. This is a 6-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio. It is an AMOLED panel. You got Gorilla Glass on this as well. You're also getting that IP67 certification for water and dust resistance. Now there's no headphone jack on this, but you do got a down firing speaker. As you can see, that Porsche design to the bottom there. You also got Type-C charging on this as well, and you also got what is called Huawei's supercharged technology. Now this is rocking the Kirin 970 processor. It is an octa-core processor. You also got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It is non-removable. You got NFC baked into this. So you're going to be able to do Android Pay, Android Beam. As you can see, into settings there, you get a wide variety of options. And into storage here, you're getting 256 gigabytes of internal storage. You also get dual SIM capabilities. And going into battery, you do got some battery saving modes to choose from. You got smart assistance on this. And your security feature is going to be that fingerprint sensor to the back of the Mate 10. And going into system, about phone, this is rocking EMUI 8.0 as well as Android 8.0 Oreo. So as you can see, 2160 by 1080, you get some more specifications regarding the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 10. When it comes to the rear facing cameras, you get that dual camera setup, 20 megapixel plus a 12 megapixel. Now the 20 megapixel camera is a monochrome sensor. The 12 megapixel is an RGB sensor. They both got a f1.6 aperture, so you get laser autofocus on this as well. As you can see, into settings there, you get a wide variety of options to choose from, and the shutter speed is extremely fast on the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 10. As you can see under video, you do get some options there for some manual controls. You can adjust the autofocus, the white balance, and as you can see, we'll jump into resolution. You can record in Ultra HD 4K as well as 1080p at 60 frames per second. That was my coverage on the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 10. Like I said, a very sleek looking device, but it does pick up fingerprints like crazy. And this does go for a high price of $1,225. That's the price it did get from Best Buy. Link is in the description below this video. Once again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll talk to you on the next one.